So this is called a Mio Fingerbell, and it has some transcribed symbols on it. I think it may be Chinese symbols, not 100% sure. I don't know, it feels like it's made from cast iron, but it has actually got a brass look to it, if you look closely. It's a new product, not 100% sure on too much information about it yet, but it makes a wonderful sound, and it's actually a finger bell, so you put your finger in it, and if you actually close your finger, because it affects the dynamics of this slit here, changes the sound a lot. Which you can obviously have a bit of fun with. But the actual sound that I like to make is basically by going like this. I think the reason I like that sound so much is because it reminds me of them two magnets that you can get and throw up together, and it makes a cool sound that I used to have when I was a teenager. I used to love just sort of fiddling with them, just throwing them up like that. But I love that sound. Anyway, I'm going to be doing some more videos on this product very soon. It's really small, it makes a nice sound, and it's a bit different to what you usually get in terms of music instruments. Anyway, I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you very soon with another video.